In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 4-in-1 flyer sheet in Canva for print. We'll take 4 existing flyer designs and place them neatly on a single page, ready to print or send to a print shop. Start by opening Canva in your browser and heading to your home page. Click Create a design, then choose Custom Size. Enter the exact dimensions of the page you'll print on. For example, A4 is 210 by 297 millimeters. If you prefer inches or you're using US letter, switch the unit and enter the matching width and height. Accurate sizing here ensures your flyers print at the correct scale without unintended cropping. With your blank page ready, go to the Elements tab, find Grids, and select the 2x2 grid. This instantly divides your page into 4 equal sections, making alignment effortless and keeping spacing consistent across the sheet. Next, bring in your flyer designs. Open the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and select your flyers from your computer. Once they appear in your Uploads panel, drag each one into a separate cell of the grid. Canva will snap them into place automatically. If something looks off, double-click a flyer to reposition it within its frame, or use the corner handles to scale it so important details aren't cropped. Take a moment to fine-tune the size and position of each flyer so they sit neatly and look balanced. Aim for consistent margins and make sure nothing essential sits too close to the edges, especially if you plan to trim. If you need to make changes, you can customize each flyer right on the page. Update text, adjust colors to match your brand, or swap images. Keep readability in mind by maintaining good contrast and ensuring font sizes stay clear at print scale. If you want a visual divider, you can add borders between flyers. Go to Elements, then Lines or Shapes, and place thin lines between the grid cells. Adjust the thickness and color so they're subtle but visible. This is optional, but it can make trimming easier and the sheet look cleaner. Before exporting, preview your page. Zoom in to 100% and scan each flyer for alignment, spacing, and any text or images that might be clipped. When you're satisfied, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the best quality. If you're sending the file to a professional printer, check the crop marks and bleed option, then download. Your 4-in-1 flyer sheet is ready to go.